Hello viewer, welcome to Let's Jam India, and this is Prithvi, and in this video we'll be learning how to shoot B-roll videos using your smartphone. Now let's see the camera settings. We'll be setting the frame rate to 60 frames per second so that on post editing we can slow it down, and if possible use the wide angle lens setting on your camera. For this tutorial purpose we'll be shooting 3 different videos and we'll be having 2 transitions in between the videos. The first transition will be between the first video and the second video, and the second transition will be between the second video and the third one. In the first video, I'll be starting from away the subject and I'll be moving towards the subject, and the output of the first video will be like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start! In the second video, I'll be starting from close to the subject and I'll be moving away, and at the end of the video, I'll hide the camera behind the curtains, and the output of the second video will be looking like this. 3, 2, 1, start! In the third video, I'll be starting from closer to the subject, I'll be moving away, again I'll hide the camera behind the curtains. Again I'll be reversing this video and the output of the video will be looking like this. 3, 2, 1, start. Now you can use any of the editing software in your phone to stitch these 3 different videos together and create the final output. If you have watched this video till this part, please like this video, share this video among your friends, and if you still haven't, subscribe to Let's Jam India and now see the final output of this video. Thank you.